it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And I would love it if you consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all, so hopefully you'll be notified when I upload a video or a community post. And I'll also link in the description box below the link to my new second channel, Crafty Cards and Journals. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love it if you go over there and subscribe and then hit your notification bell for that channel as well. All right, what we're doing today is I have some more Christmas in July DIYs or crafts, all right? And I think these are going to be really cute. I love to make ornaments. So the first one we're going to do is I have this Dollar Tree sled. I thought it would be really cute. And then I was kind of torn as what to do. I have these little, are they stickers? Oh my gosh, they're stickers. I didn't know that. I may do this one on here just to see what it's going to be like. I was going to put him on there and decoupage it, but since these are stickers, I've had these a while. They're Recollections. They were $4.99, and you get a ton of different types of stickers. You get the little reindeer. You get Merry Christmas. You get this adorable little vehicle. So I may just switch my mode and do this. It's hard to tell what I'll do, all right? So let's get started with this. Okay, I'm going to pour out some white apple barrel acrylic gloss paint. I don't know why I cannot talk today. I'm a mess, okay? And I think I'm going to use the foam brush for this. And I did get me some baby wipes. I'm really happy about that. Okay, what I'm going to do, I didn't want the white. Like I said, my mind is somewhere else. But I've got the apple barrel melted chocolate, and I'm going to use that. Oh, see how watery this stuff is? It's always so watery. I'm not quite sure why. I think there's something wrong with it. Put it all over me. Okay. We're going to do sort of like a little wash, and I have a little bit of that white paint in here mixed in with it. So this is going to be a little happy accident. I have a lot of those. Now, I'm not worried about getting down into that tread because it's really not going to show with what we're going to do. So we're just going to make us a little wooden sled. Now, if you had little berries, you could put things right there. Put them right there. I don't have any that aren't too big. I have them, but they're just way too big. And you could probably just use a light brown and get the same effect, but put a little more. That paint is just so watery, and it's been that way since I bought it. I just think there's something not quite right. Okay, we want to get under here really well. And I'm going to bring this down a little more, just sort of drag it. And I should have put on gloves because I'm going to have this all over me. Maggie is doing better. I sent a picture to the vet. I think the area has gotten a little smaller. And it doesn't seem to bother her at all. I mean, if it bothered her, I mean, I'm concerned, but I would be very concerned. But she's eating, she's drinking, she's playing with her toys. But I still want to make sure that everything's okay. So I'm hoping to hear back from them today. If I don't, I'm going to call them. I think she got stung. And you know, when you get like an ant bite or something like that, and we have those fire ants, it can be kind of hard to get rid of it. But you could paint this any color that you wanted, but I just wanted something that looks like a real old-time sled, and I think that does. Okay, now let's look at this adorable little snowman that I had no clue was a sticker. I had no clue. These would be great in cards as well. I'm going to stand up. And I'm going to put him right here. Oh, look how cute that is. That is precious. It was so simple to do. Now, you could also change out your ribbon and get rid of this. I don't know if I want to or not. I think that would make it look a little more festive. So, what I'm going to do is just cut this. Now, you could keep this and it would look very rustic. It would be really cute like that. I think that is really precious. But now you could probably even hang it from this, but I'm going to go and I would make sure that this is nice and dry before you put your snowman on there. Since I didn't let this dry good, I'm just going to add some of this Beacon Fabri-Tac because it will adhere. And I don't want to put a ton of it. Like I said, that stuff has an odor. And Maggie is after the mailman. He's so funny, he'll toot at her. They have this relationship. It's funny. Okay, what I've decided to do is put this on. I think this would be much prettier. And I'm thinking about hanging it. Maybe, do I want to hang it like this? Let's see what this would do. I don't know what angle I want to go at, but we could see. I don't even know if I left myself enough room. I'm just going to do it like that. I think that's really cute. Now, what you can do is you can put, I don't want to get that Fabri-Tac on my fingers, but what you can do is cut this off and then either put hot glue or Fabri-Tac on it and it won't come loose. But I'm just going to put a little bit of this art glitter glue on there and it won't fray. So let me cut that. And it will dry clear. But I think that is super cute and very, very easy to do. And you could even put it like that if you wanted. Or you could put it, I think I'm going to do mine like this. Or you could even, I don't know. Or you could glue this right up there. Oh, that would be pretty. Maybe that's what I'll do. Just glue it right there. I think that gives it a really cute look. And then, oh, gotta wait till it's glued down though before you move it. I think that is really cute. Then I may just cut this off. I don't know. I gotta let this get really glued. That is so sweet. Look how cute he is. Back to this issue. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it just like this. Then when I put this in the tree, you're really not even going to see this. I'm going to glue that all together. And I may lay it in my tree. I do that a lot, where I just lay stuff in. Don't necessarily hang it. And if you had like some kind of berry or a flower or something, snowflake, you could put it right there. And when Hobby Lobby gets some stuff out, I may change or put something on there. Maybe I think a really pretty snowflake would be pretty. I have these Dollar Tree snowflakes. I have blue and I have silver. And I think I'm going to put some silver on there because I think it's going to be really cute. And it helps hide that. And I wonder if I would want to put, I'm going to put 3 of them on there. Now, I would probably suggest that you put a glue on there to help secure this. But for now, this is what I'm doing. Look at that. Is that not adorable? And when the light hits that, that's going to be really cute. Okay, for the next one, I think we're only going to do 2 today. I have these same stickers. Look at this. Is that not really cute? Oh, I'm going to love that. All right, so I think I'm going to paint this white. Get my white paint out. Creating is so, I don't know, it's freeing somehow with your mind. All right, so we're going to paint this white. This will be a really cute little ornament. Like I said, I wish I had more ribbon, but I don't. Of the little thin, I have plenty of the big thick, but none of it that I could cut down. This almost reminds me of a book front. This, once again, would be a nice little gift or something to sell at one of those little craft fairs. These little blanks from the Dollar Tree really come into handy. I mean, you can go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's, anything like that, and pick up blanks. But they're going to be more. For $1.25, you really cannot beat this. All right, here this is. It's dry. And what I'm thinking, I wonder if I want to, I think I'm going to put this down first. Now, this may be a total fail. I have no clue. You just don't know. Okay. All right, I think that is cute in and of itself, but I want to take, that is really cute, look at that, but I got him on there a little crooked. I should have stood up. You won't do that, all right? Now, I'm going to take some of this warm buff. Now, this is where it may go big time south, but we will see. I'm going to get one of my daubers. And this is going to have, I would recommend gluing this down with something because I just don't think this is strong enough. But that's good because it saved me where I was crooked. Okay. Try to get those tires even. All right. Now, there we go. That looks better, okay? If you wanted, you could stop right there. But I don't want to. I'm going to take my warm buff and once again, now this is kind of making it look very vintage, which what I said, I'm into this. I don't know why I'm so into this vintage. I'm going to add some more white. I still want to see the car, and you could get that dimensional snow and put it under there, and I think it would be really pretty. It would look like the car was going through the snow. Okay, now we're going to get my absolute favorite thing in the world, metallic royal gold. I love this stuff. I think I'm going to take some of this. Just now, this might not be for everybody because it's kind of rustic. But if you like rustic or vintage, I think you'd like it. This is another way to do it. Just come straight down. Got a little much there. Well, let's see. Definitely looks vintage. Okay, it's dry. Now, I was thinking what would really be pretty would be to take some IOD molds and put around that, but I can't. So, we're going to have to do some modified crafting. Or glue the edges. I think that would help get it through there. But this works just as well. I think that's going to be cute. I really do. Tie us a knot. I'm going to cut this kind of like that. I want longer tails. Okay, then what I want to do, we're just going to make a little bow. This ribbon frays horribly. Oh my gosh. I don't think anything has ever driven me quite so crazy. And we're going to put it right there with our Fabri-Tac. All right, and this is how this one turned out. I think it's really cute. It's very vintage, kind of woodsy, I would say. This one is definitely my favorite out of the two. I think it's really cute. But these are both such simple little Christmas DIYs for Christmas in July. I hope you love these little ornaments. They're really, like I said, simple to make and oh, so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you'll be notified when I upload a video or a community post. I will see you on Monday if you're subscribed to Crafty Cards and Journals. And we're going to be doing an altered composition notebook. Had a request to do that, and I'm really looking forward to that. I've never done anything like that before and really wouldn't have thought of it, but I had that request. And then I will see you Wednesday here on the Magnolia Housewife. Not sure what we'll be doing, but until next time, bye guys.